Welcome to Lingfa, kids!
What a beautiful day! Yes, let's play!
Hello, everybody! What are you all doing?
We are playing and we're having a lot of fun!
Wonderful! But today, I have a surprise for you!
I collected some apples! Wow, 2 apples! Can you count them? 1, 2. I found 3 more. We have 2 apples and 3 more apples.
What happens if we count them together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 apples and 3 apples makes 5 apples. Exactly!
This is called addition.
Addition means putting things together.
This little sign means plus.
And this little sign means equal.
So, 2 plus 3 equals 5.
Exactly!
One and one, let's put together. Count them up, we can do better. 1 plus 1 is 2. That's what we can do. Add together. Put them side by side.
Now it's your turn. 2 apples appear, and 3 more apples appear.
How many apples do we have all together?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Here is another one. 3 stars plus 1 star equal
4.
Yes! 3 plus 1 equals 4.
Great job!
You did it!
Addition is fun! And we can learn by counting. And by playing.
Great job, everyone!
See you in the next Lingfa adventure.